Hi y'all. Today we're making one of my all-time favorite Southern comfort foods, good old-fashioned chicken and rice. This dish is simple, hearty, and absolutely delicious, and it always reminds me of my grandmother's kitchen. And let me tell you, when it comes to Southern cooking, this is about as classic as it gets. Now I'll walk you through exactly how to make it step by step, as easy as can be, and I just know you're going to love it.
For this recipe, you'll need some butter, a large diced onion, a few ribs of diced celery, about a pound of boneless, skinless chicken cut into 1-inch pieces. You can use all dark, all white, or a mix of both. We'll also need 3 cups of good chicken stock, 1½ cups of rice. I prefer basmati, but any white rice will do, plus some salt, pepper, and a little fresh parsley for garnish. First, melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a deep-sided skillet over medium heat. Once that's melted, add in the diced onion and celery. Let that cook until it's nice and soft, stirring it occasionally. Now add the chicken pieces to the skillet. Cook them until they're firmed up and are just starting to get a little color. Next, pour in the chicken stock, add the rice, a couple of teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and the last 2 tablespoons of butter. Give it all a good stir and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the skillet, and let it cook for about 20 minutes or until the rice is tender and has absorbed all that flavorful stock. When you're ready to serve, use a fork to fluff the rice and sprinkle a little additional chopped parsley over the top just to make it pretty.
And just like that, you have a pot of my chicken and rice. Simple, satisfying, and packed with flavor. This dish is proof that you don't need any fancy ingredients to make something really delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so that you get all the new recipes as I publish them on YouTube. And let me know in the comments, what's a meal that brings back great memories for you? Thanks for spending a little time with me in the kitchen today. Y'all take care, and I'll see you again soon.